Hey guys, this is John Hang, and in today's video, I'm in my mudroom. I'm going to be showing you guys what I plan to do with this mudroom. As you can see, it's a little bit outdated with this, I think it's a vinyl floor, this plank wood on the wall, some older looking, I think oak trim, these old washing machines, as well as a bunch of other things. Let me go through those one by one. All right, let's start with the floor. You can see here that the previous owners installed this laminate flooring, but they stopped it at this threshold right here, and they decided not to carry that into the mudroom. So luckily for me, I found the actual box that the laminate came in, and so I actually know the styling of this laminate, so I can actually go to Floor and Decor or any tile shop really and order some more. And so I'm going to continue this flooring all the way through. I don't know if I'm going to keep this threshold here or take that out and make it seamless. Making it seamless will be a little bit more difficult. Before I can even put this flooring in, I need to remove this trim because otherwise I wouldn't be able to slide the flooring underneath. I'm going to replace this brown trim with something more, I guess, current age, maybe white or something, as well as this wall. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this wall yet. I might either paint it or remove it completely. You can see that we have this trim along the wall also. I will most likely paint that or remove it. And since we're in my basement is actually subterranean. So behind all of this is actually the foundation, cinder blocks. So I can't actually remove this. And you can see here that it's kind of got like a step or a ledge. Which will be difficult for the next thing that I plan to do. So taking a step back here, in my previous video, I talked about how I'm actually kind of low on storage space. So what I'm planning to do is actually cabinet out this entire wall, except for maybe the part in the corner by the door there. I plan to do like a bench to sit at, and you can walk in through this mudroom, take off your boots, sit at the bench and get this all dirty and wipe it up, and then store your boots directly into the cabinets there. On the left side, I think that we plan to have like a taller cabinet, probably for, like this vacuum. I'm not sure why it's blurry. For this vacuum or like taller brooms and the such. And then looking up here, I've got this one random light here in the middle of the room. It's not even got a shade on it. And then a really random light over here. It's not even like over the washer dryer. It's just kind of like over there for some reason, which is kind of random. So what I'm planning to do is recess lighting. So I'm gonna take these two lights out and then put, I think, 4 puck lights or 4 recess lights in each corner of the room. And that'll give this room a lot more light. You can see here that we've got our washer and dryer over here. I'm going to replace these with newer Samsung models because I kind of want something more front load, or I want a front loader so that I can do laundry folding on top of the machines. And we do have these cabinets here, but they're kind of weird that one's taller than the other or one's longer than the other, and they're kind of just placed here. So I'm gonna take these off and then I'll figure out what I wanna do with them afterwards. I might move them over there, but I'm not sure if they'll fit in with the cabinets that I put in over there. So we'll just have to see what happens. And then just throughout the room, there are just like minor imperfections, like they forgot to paint this side of the trim for the door, or like there's a lot of nail holes that I had to fill up. So painting this room after everything's kind of fixed will make it look a lot better. And over here too, there are probably screws that they ripped out. And then parts of this are just like dirty. So I think that this room just needs a makeover. So I'm looking forward to it. All right, so sorry that this was kind of a shorter video. A lot of stuff is going to be happening in the next couple of weeks, so I wanted to put out a video and kind of show what it looks like before that even happens. So let me give you guys one more sweeping 360 of this room before it completely changes in the next couple of weeks. All right, and so with that, that's the end of the video. If you are looking forward to the next couple of videos, make sure you subscribe. If you have any questions, or actually, if you have any suggestions for what I should do in some of these areas, definitely leave a comment. I'm still kind of planning this as I go, and any feedback would be actually really nice. And I guess if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, this is John Hing. Thank you.